This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make French toast chocolate. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need 4 slices of thick bread, 2 large eggs, 1/2 cup of milk, 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder, and 1 tablespoon of sugar. Don't forget 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract and a handful of chocolate chips for that extra indulgence. This simple preparation sets the stage for a delightful breakfast treat. Now, let's get cooking. Take each slice of bread and fully immerse it in the rich chocolate egg mixture. Make sure both sides are completely coated for maximum flavor. Next, melt about 1 tablespoon of butter in a non-stick pan over medium heat. Place the dipped bread in the pan and cook each side for approximately 2 to 3 minutes until it's beautifully golden brown and cooked through. Here's where the chocolate magic happens. While one side of your French toast is cooking, generously sprinkle about 2 tablespoons of chocolate chips over the top. Once you flip the toast, gently press down with your spatula to help those chocolate chips melt into a delicious, gooey layer. Continue cooking for another 1 to 2 minutes, ensuring the chocolate is perfectly warm and melted, creating a delightful surprise inside. Your delicious chocolate French toast is now ready to be enjoyed. For the best experience, serve it immediately while it's still warm and the chocolate is perfectly melted. You can elevate your presentation by garnishing with fresh berries, a light dusting of powdered sugar, or a drizzle of your favorite maple syrup. This decadent treat is perfect for a special breakfast or a delightful dessert, sure to impress everyone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.